Hello everyone. Thank you for visiting Skill School channel. This channel has been created to teach you all regarding different skills including Microsoft Excel, SQL, Power BI and Python and many more. So I'm going to start to teach you all from the Microsoft Excel as it is a pretty basic. And once you have a good hands-on on the Microsoft Excel, it would be easy for you all to understand the data easily. To start with Microsoft Excel, let me first tell you which Microsoft Excel version I'm using so that you can practice the questions or the whatever I'm going to teach you, you can learn accordingly. As you can see, I am using the UI of this Microsoft Excel. So first of all, let me tell you about the version I'm using it. So I'm going on the account, and here you can able to see that about the Excel, and here it is showing it is Microsoft Excel 2016. So I'm using the 2016 Microsoft Excel. So to start with Microsoft Excel, let's tell you about some basics of Microsoft Excel. So that this is the home page of the Microsoft Excel, which includes on the left hand side, you will be able to see home, new, open, get add-ins, info, save as, print, share, export, close, account options. These all are options present on the left hand side panel. And on the top row, you will be getting different options, including blank workbook, welcome to Excel, formula tutorial, Power Query tutorial, pivot table tutorial, beyond pie charts tutorial, and many more. So you can go through all those tabs if you want, so that you can get an idea about how to learn Microsoft Excel. So I'm directly helping you to start with the blank workbook. So I'm just clicking on here. So this is the sheet of Microsoft Excel, wherein you will be able to see different columns starting from A, B, C, and it goes till XFD. And you can see the row starting from 1, 2, 3, 4 till 10,48,576. That means the number of row exists in single sheet in Microsoft Excel is 10,48,576. And the number of columns exists in one sheet is total XFD. Till XFD, the number of columns exist. So, let me tell you about the basics of the Microsoft Excel, how to read Microsoft Excel. S- So the blocks you able to see, it is called cell, and you can read as this cell as G6. From here you can see it show you the cell name. Let's say I put the cell over here. It is showing E8. It is showing G2. That means you can read this cell as G2 cell, wherein G is the name of the column and 2 is the name of the row. The first G column name and 2 is the row. Likewise, this is G4. That means in the G column, it is fourth row. And let me tell you about what is sheet. Sheet is the nothing but combination of the columns and the rows is called the sheet. We can have multiple sheets in one workbook, Workbook means the group of number of sheets called a workbook. Let's say in this workbook, we are having the four sheets. So we can, when we save this file, it save as a workbook wherein we have four different sheets. Hope you understand as of now. So let me delete this sheet. So to delete this sheet, we right click on the mouse, then we can delete from there. Likewise, I delete this one as well. This also delete as there's a no need. To rename the sheet, you click on sheet 1, double time. If you double click on the sheet 1, you will be able to edit the name of the sheet. I'm going to keep the name of the sheet as skill is cool 1, and clicking outside of this area, like clicking on any cell, it will save as a sheet name. Before getting ahead, let's save this file. So going to the file, use the save as option, and it will show you which location you want to save this file. Let's say I want to save this file onto this PC. So I use this on the desktop, and I name this file as skill is cool 1, and save as type as Excel workbook. As I have already told you, the Excel save as a workbook, which means this workbook has multiple sheets, either one or more than one. Save this file, and this file got saved. And the format of saving this file is XLSX. The extension of this file is XLSX. So hope you understand what is cell, what is row, and what is column. These A, B, C are the columns, 1, 2, 3, 4 are the rows. And let's say you have selected from here to till here. So it is showing you the range. How can you read this? It is started from the D column, and it consists of 8 row. So it's a D8 range. Likewise, if you selecting this, you can able to see 6 row and 4 column. It is called range. And generally, it shows you as F7, means F column and 7 cell. So I will be discussing several topics inside the Microsoft Excel. So let's start from the number formatting. So the number formatting means it format the number to change the appearance of the value, but it won't change the default value. Let's say I'm just taking a table. From here, you can create a table using the all borders and drag this. Okay, let's say I have written 34.34.78 and I want to format this number. So I have formatted it to the 35. You can see here 35, but when you click on it, and you can see the original value here is 34.78, but here it is showing 35. That means it format the number. If you decrease the decimal, the original value comes. So that means it won't change the original or default value of this number. However, it only changes the appearance of the appearance of the value. Here it shows like you as a 35. However, the in the backend, the default value is 34.78. Let's say uh, here I'm using 50.3465. Okay, and I'm formatting it to decreasing the decimal. And here it is showing 50. So here it is showing 50, but when you click on it, the original value is 50.345. So this is the number formatting. So we have different functionalities present on the Excel for the number formatting. We can explore all those different functionalities from here, like general, number, currency, accounting, short date, long date, time, percentage, fraction, scientific, and more number formats. When you click on the more number formats, these all are the different functionalities for the number formatting, including text, special, custom, and many more. We will learn every concept one by one. So first of all, let me create a table. Let me fill the value in both the column. Okay. So let's learn the concept of the number formatting. To get this tab directly using the shortcut is Control 1. When you click Control 1, you will directly get this tab. So the first category of the format cell is general, wherein general format cells have no specific number formats. That means general format means there's a no number formatting functionalities applied onto that value. So that is why it considered as the 76.86. So as you have remembered, I have used the number formatting on F10 and F11. So you can see that here it is showing the category as number. On 35 also the number. But when you check for 67, 78, it shows you the general because there is no number formatting present over there. So you can check whether this value has the number formatting or not but from here. Okay. Every other cell is general. Let's say I want to change this value to 45,000. Like I wanted to put comma from after the 45. So we have two options to put comma. Either you select from here, it will give you a 1000 comma after 45, or use the decrease decimal, or use control 1, and then you can use on the number format, wherein you have the option of use 1000 separator and having the zero decimal places. Let me show you in another tab so that you can be able to know. I'm writing 4500 over here and using the number formatting. So checklist the use 100 separator, keeping the decimal places 0, and click OK. So 4500. Okay, 45,000, and here it is also 45,000. Okay, hope you understand. So let's discuss first the options which is present on the home screen itself. So this is the option to decrease the decimal, like the number of zero after the decimal. The number it this option is to increase the decimal, the number of increase the number of the zero after the decimal. And this is the comma style. That means it is called as a 1000 separator. That means uh, on the every thousandth number, it will put comma, and here it will format as a percent, and it is like format as per the currency. If you want to use the value as per the currency, you can use that. Likewise here, I use rupee, then it is showing for 45.00. Okay, so these all are the options available on the home screen itself. If you explore more options, then you can use either from here more number formats or control 1. As soon as I used the accounting category, so it started showing you the accounting. And here it is showing custom. That means that there is a number format category applied, which is known as a custom. Why? Because we use the comma separator. It considered as a custom category. Okay. So let me select F column whole and use control 1. Let's say I just wanted to use the currency. I just want to use rupee in every row and want this 20 after the decimal. So I'll place 2 here and click OK. You will be able to see this every value is in the rupee and with 2 decimal. Let's say you want to show this value in the dollar. Directly I can use the dollar one. And remember one thing, this value show you as the dollar, but it doesn't mean that it convert the value from rupee to the dollar. As I have already told, it just change the appearance of the value. It doesn't change the original value. Okay, so it doesn't convert the dollar, the rupee into the dollar. It just add the symbol in the prefix of the value. So coming to other formats, I'll apply the formats onto the F column itself. Again, Control 1. And before applying the formatting on anything, first you have to select. One, you have select the value or the number of rows or the range. You can use the formatting options. You can use a different category of the formatting options. Let's say we have covered the general number, currency part, accounting part. In the accounting part as well, there are various currency available, list of currency based on the different country. So you can use that from here. L- We will cover date and time little later. Directly come to the percentage. Let's say you want to see the value as in percentage. So you can see that as soon as I select the percentage, you can see the sample over here, 3478.00%. Why it is considering two value after the decimal? Because I have selected the two over here. When you remove the sample also able to change accordingly. It will be showing 7478%. That means as soon as you use a percentage, it will multiply by 100 and show the percent sign with the value. So that is the use of the percentage. So let's use it. We don't need any decimal places. So I will keep this 0 and click OK. You can see it. It multiplies by 100 and show the value as in percentage. And you can use this percent from here as well. There's a shortcut key which is Control Shift and percent. Let's use the shortcut key on this value. Control Shift percent. So it is showing you a 76.7686%. Hope everything clear so far. So to learn about the date and time concept, first we will create a column wherein date and time is mentioned. So let create one more table. Date, time, let's say today is 01 30 01 2025 and time would be 21 is to 53 a.m. p.m. Use 30 slash 01 20 25 3 02 2025 6 3 20 25, 2, 3, 20, 25, 4, 03, 20, 25. Keep 9. Okay. So as I have created this table of date and time, you have observed two difference. Like when I add PM, it shifts toward this side. And when I write only number, numerical, then it shifts this side. So what does it mean? Why it changed? Look, when you click here, it shows you as the general. When you click here, it shows you as a custom. When you click here, it shows you as a date. So let me tell you the difference between the numerical data and the categorical data. And also how to find the difference between the text and the number. So text in the Microsoft Excel shown with the left aligned and the numbers shown in the Microsoft Excel as right aligned. Whenever the value is left aligned to the column, that means the value is text, and when the value is aligned to the right, that means it is the numerical value. You can see here, that means this is the text value, 21 is to 53 because I have added the PM on it. And this is, I do not have added anything. So it is showing you the custom. Okay. So let's select this date first and click Control 1. So here you have the several different formats of the date present already in the Microsoft Excel by default. So you can choose any of them. As I have already mentioned in the first format, so I won't be using this. Choose the second one and click OK. You will be able to see in the format of date, month, and the year. That is known as DMY. Again, click Control 1 and I want to use it like this. It will be show you like not using any extra zeros prefix to the value if not needed. And let's say you want you want to you want to change the separator. Instead of hyphen, you want to use dot. So you can click on that. It will use as dot. Likewise, you want to use year, month, and day. So you can select this. Accordingly, it will show you. Likewise, if you want to know the day as well on the date, so you can select that and it is showing hash. Let me tell you why it is showing hash, because it gives you the error because of it doesn't have much space to show the value. It show you the error. To remove this hash, you have to enlarge this column and it will show you the exact value. Okay. So I have explored all those options available by default. So you can use this uh, different formatting of the date. So this is called DMY, as in date, month, and year. This one is year, month, and date. So it is called YMD. Okay. Hope the date category of the number formatting clears. Likewise, for the time, select, let me select this, Control 1, go to the time. Want to use this time. That means hour, minute, second. Click OK. You can be able to see that it will edit only those who consider as a custom, because we are using the number formatting. This value is in the text. So that is why they it doesn't edit this, or it doesn't format the value. Okay. Likewise, if you use other formatting here, it is 1.30.55 p.m. So let's see. Here it added the AM, and you will shocked to see that here it is showing AM, but still it is considered as the number, not the text, because in original it is 9, but in the appearance it is showing as an AM by the number formatting, by using the time category. That is why it is considered as a number. Let me select one more time, use this option. Accordingly, it will show you the format. Let's say you want to use this in 24-hour format. So it won't change anything, because we do not have any time which is like more than 12-hour format. We have the first one, but it is considered as a text. That is why it doesn't check it. Let me uh, remove this AM and PM. Okay. So when I use the 24-hour format, it will show you the 21 is to 53. Okay. So in the 12-hour format, AM or PM, so it is started 9:53 PM. It is started showing you 9:53 PM. Hope it clears the time as well. I have covered the percentage part as well. Let's select this, Control 1, percentage, removing the value after the decimals. Click OK. You can be able to see the percentage sign and multiply by the 100. Let's say you want to use this number as a text. Like this is the number, but you want to show this, you want to convert this number as in the text. So I'm just selecting the one cell and clicking on the control one using this text, click OK. As soon as you change this formatting to text, it shifts to the left side. That means this 45 is showing as a number, but it is in the text format. Here you can see it is showing you the type as in text. So this is the way you can convert the value into the text. If the number is in the numerical format, you cannot convert the text value into the number from here. However, you can convert the number into the text. So we have left with fraction, scientific, and spatial and custom. So we will cover this concepts in the next video. Hope you like the video and let me know if you are unable to understand anything as of now in the comment section so that I will cover up these all. I will cover your videos in the next. I will cover up your doubts in the next video. Thank you so much. Have a good day. Bye bye.